Good morning, folks. It is 10:21. I'm at the residence house in Thomasville, North Carolina. We're getting ready to take care of this property, the whole house, driveway, sidewalk, and we have a little bit of stuff on the back for patio. As you can see, they had this mildew that was coming along around. Gotta take care of all this right here for. It's very filthy. Make sure you take care of your investment. You're breathing in that stuff and you don't even know it. It seeps through your sheetrocks, all through your house, and respiratory. So she want to take care of all this. All right, stay tuned before and after pictures. Still good morning, folks. It is 11:46. Got this all taken care of for the customer. She is very pleased and happy with AD discount pressure washer. Check it out. All taken care of. All taken care of. Taylor, good afternoon. Good morning, Stevenson. Good afternoon.
Good morning.
How did you hear from AD Discount Pressure Washing?
I heard from you guys, about you guys, by Shelby and Jesse Lloyd, that lives on North Main of High Point.
Mm-hmm.
They highly recommended you,
Thank you.
and so that's why I went with you.
So will you recommend AD Discount Pressure Wash?
Absolutely.
Thank you, folks. There you have it, another satisfied customer. AD Discount Pressure Wash, a more beautiful home for less. You can also reach me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Google. Anywhere you put in AD Discount Pressure Wash, I will pop up on the page. Thank you and have a wonderful day.